Yo, you guys, short and quick video for me about these dry eraser labels. They are magnetic and you can write on them easily and remove the writing afterwards as well. So I use them in class for certain jobs for my students, like green is for cleaning the board, and then there's one color for cleaning the floor and all that. And that just makes it more efficient. You can easily move them around, and all in all, pretty good to use. And I would say that shall be it for today's video. And in case you're wondering, I'm pretty satisfied, not gonna lie, and they work pretty well. And you can go ahead, check them out yourself if you're not too sure about that. And yep, I will see you around the next video. As I said, I want to keep this short and simple. So, yeah, my name is Badger, I'm out, and I will see you around the next time. Bye.